Okay, we're going for a test. I always drain the carburetor, so the carburetor plug has been replaced. Before I did, I turned the gas flow on and it flowed, so then I put the plug in and then I turned the gas on. Darn! It is full of gas that I put in last November with 2 shots of Stabil. I have just hooked up the battery. I'm lazy. The battery's been home. The home charger says it is charged. So we have choke on it. Choke is on. Gas is on. 3, 2, 1. Harbor Freight Predator. Initial start. Last run. Was it November 1st? So December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 8.5 months. Cold start. Yay! That's my ramp into its storage unit. In my camp shed box, that's on, you only see 4x4 because I trimmed them, but 6x6 posts. And I can run with the generator inside with both doors open, and the insulation helps quiet it. Yay!